Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I hereby declare that Sri Subhash Pardesai elected the post of Deputy Speaker of the House. I offer the heartiest congratulations to Subhash Pardesai. I request Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and Senior Leader Digambar Kamath to escort the elected Deputy Speaker Sri Subhash Pardesai to his seat.